Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to register for BDCOM Cloud, Pallas, and log into your account. Let's begin with registration. Click to register an account. First, enter your username, password, re-enter password, phone number and email address. Enter the numbers on the graphic verification code. Read and accept the privacy policy and user agreement. Click Register to complete the registration. Now, let's take a look at the login process. First, enter your username or email. Then enter your password. Enter the number on the graphic verification code. Read and accept the privacy policy and user agreement. Click Login to enter the Pallas. Thank you for watching.